everyone, this is Camila Rose and I'm back now for another video. We are going to close out, we're on a closeout spree. We're going to close out our November Paycheck 2. This is going to finish us all up, get us caught up and ready to go into December. We have our December Paycheck 1 video coming up. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in just a second. Alright y'all, this one's a thick one, so let's get going. Envelopes got 300, electricity got 150, AT&T 71, Geico got 180, T-Mobile 181, Gym $11, Netflix 16, Business 85, Savings 167, House 100, Visa 160, which I actually ended up changing. Visa got what did Visa get? 150. Okay. I hope that's right. Extra. Oh no. Okay. Sorry. Visa did get 160. Visa got 160. The extra was supposed to be 175. I was gonna put extra towards savings of 175, but I ended up changing that to 150, as the note says, and put 25 of that towards Visa payment. And then NTTA got 80, Giving got 5, Amazon Music got 865. I was going to put $20 towards investment, but I put that towards Visa, so that actually ended up taking Visa from 160 plus 25 plus 20 to 185 to 205 total towards the Visa payment. And then lawn service got $70. So our total we actually ended up paying was $300 for the envelopes, as always. Electricity was $62. AT&T ended up being 70.98. Geico was 177.76. T-Mobile was 180.27. Gym was 10.81. Netflix was $15.14. Business was 85. Savings was 167. Savings is 167 going straight into the savings account. House got 100. Visa got the 205. Extra savings gets got the 150. NTTA was 40. Giving was 5, 8.65 for Amazon Music, no invest anymore, and then 70 was actually 0 because I didn't need lawn service anymore. So let's go and see what the difference is between the two. Alright. Let's make sure this adds up. This adds up. Okay. Sorry, starting off here. 300 plus 60. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this one. So the front line, the budget, 300 plus 150 plus 71 plus 180. Oopsie. 180 plus 181 plus 11 plus $16 plus 85 plus 167 plus 100 plus 205 plus 150 plus 80 plus 5 plus 8.65 plus, that's it. Okay, 1709. Oh, that can't be right. Oh, that's because I left those out. I was like, wait, I was closing it out when I shouldn't have. I did 150 plus 80, great, plus 5 plus 8.65 plus 70. 1779.65. Perfect. Okay. Now let's add it up. Okay. 300 plus 62 plus 70.98 plus 177.76 plus 180.27 plus 10.81 plus 15.14 plus 85 plus 167 plus 100 plus 205 plus 150 plus 80 plus 5 plus 8.65. I haven't been paying attention. Sorry, I was zoned out. Okay. Let's see. I did 177, right? 180.27, 10.18, 15.5, 85, 65, 100, 205, 150. All right. So far, so good. Should be 40 here. 8.65. And then that's it. Okay. Now we're at that's it. Yeah. Alright, so the total is 1577.61. And we have 1779.65 minus 1577.61. And so that leaves us with 202.04 left over. Now that is a big chunk left over, right? I've been bulking up my cushion quite a bit. I want to take out 35 for lawn, since I just didn't use that one at all. That was the only one pretty much. I think I'm gonna do like a random kind of bootleg. I hate doing this, but I kind of don't mind doing this. I want to do, I think, a little bootleg sinking funds. So let's do 35 for lawn. We'll do half for lawn. So lawn 35. Oh, I don't have it on here. Okay. November paycheck to closeout. We're going to do lawn equals 35. The other big one that didn't have as much taken out was electricity. So I do want to take out a little bit for electricity. That's going to equal, I think we'll do, gosh, that was a lot, huh? We only took out 35 for that. NTTA, I am going to end up pulling out 20. I should set it aside, but I don't know how to set it aside and not like have it not be that way. Maybe I should leave it. I don't know, but I'm going to set aside 20 for NTTA. For electricity, I think I want it to be 50. So that would be, that's 55 right there. So I guess 45 for electricity. I think I want it to be 50. So let's do 50. I hate it because it's not an even number now. So now we're at, so that's 105 total, which then leaves us with, what is that, 98, I suppose? I want to make sure my math is right. Okay, minus 105, 97 $97 left over. So for my actual amount over here that I'm going to pull is going to be 97. And you all know what that means. Well, I think I can remember how to do it. Okay, so we have this one over here. Sorry, y'all, it's a little messy. Okay. So our total is $97 left over. We're going to do cushion. We're going to do debt, Visa. We're going to do student loans. We're going to do savings, 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 and savings. We're going to do business, and we're going to do tech. I'm doing that like I don't have money that actually needs to go, like to pull out some extra money for entertainment. I totally need to do that. Let me think on that. because I did pull these ones out. I like having the lawn service. I like having some extra going towards, and I definitely want to like stack up some emergency for electricity, just in cases. Maybe we'll take cushion out because we've been doing a lot for cushion. Let's do entertainment. All right, we want the bulk to go towards debt and for both. So let's do Let's do 10%, 20%, no, 30%, 20%, 10%, and then let's just do $2 for each one of these. That leaves us with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So now let's see, 97 minus 12. 85. So let's do $30, $20, $30, 25. So let's see. Okay, so 25 plus 30 plus 30 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect, $97. 0. Okay, so the 25 will be transferred. Visa will go out of account. Student loans will go out of account. We'll pull this one's out. And that's it. So now we know that we need to have, need to pull $12 from account. All right, so that's noted for November paycheck 2. So now we're all done with that one. Yay! Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so that's that. Now we can finally get to December paycheck 1. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're all caught up. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. This has been a great month. I'm really excited. So I will see you all at the next video. Bye-bye.